Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first OSP YouTube video. So today we will assist, let's say, to a challenge where 5 traders will have, each of them will have a 10K account, and at the end of the 24 hours, who will have the more capital in the account will win a 10K account with OSP, where he or she will receive 25% of weekly profits. So there will be 5 traders plus 2 judges. So the traders still do not know that also one of the judges will compete with them, but will not touch the account. So they always start with a 10K account. Let's see what's happening. So I hope you will enjoy the challenge and let's see what's happening.
So, are you ready for the challenge, guys?
Yes, we
Who
are.
knows who's gonna win? Do you have a strategy, or are you improvising?
I will use my own strategy and I will follow my instinct, man, because it's 24 hours. I follow my instinct and do my thing, man.
So use your trading strategy, stay stick to your trading plan, and have a look at the market today because I think gonna be crazy.
So, guys, so now we are all here. So let's make a little bit of introduction. So we have 3 Zoom calls during the challenge, so that we can, let's say, tell you who is winning. Of course, let's make a little bit also interesting, so you can bluff if you want. You have 24 hours. You have 13 minutes to start the challenge, and you have 24 hours. So tomorrow morning we will know who will win, and who wins will receive a 10K account where you will receive 25% payouts every week. Okay, so it's a great opportunity to grow. So here there are 5 opponents that are Giulia, Lorenzo, Emanuele, Leonard, and Paolo. So you are the 5 opponents, and then there is me, David, and Marcello, that we are the judges. Okay, so there are no limits. You can trade wherever you want. You can trade how much you want. No drawdown, no limits drawdown. So it's up to you. You can use every strategy you want. So as you want to have 100 leverage, you can double, triple, quadruple the account. You can wherever you want. Be just careful. So be very smart that maybe a lot of people will blow the account. Some of you. So if you maybe trade normally, you maybe will win. Who knows? It's up to you. It's up to your strategy. So let's make a little bit, let's say, of introduction of each other. So
My name is Lorenzo. I'm from Italy, studying in the UK right now. And my strategy is very simple. So I started trading like 2 months ago, so I don't have that much of experience, but I traded quite a lot. So I think I have a good strategy. I just trade GBP USD. I started to kind of look at gold, but I don't know. I may trade it. I don't know, but I think I stick to GBP USD and see what happens. I think I'll use a lot of leverage. So yeah, hopefully I don't blow the account in the first 2 hours.
it's very important to let you all know. Please be careful that this afternoon there will be a very important news for USD. So who of you are trading GBP USD and gold? Please be very, 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 very careful. Okay.
I'm Lena. I'm from the Netherlands. I'm 25 years old. 1 year from now, I become to know Forex, and at that moment, I started to learn about it. I have a strategy on GBP USD. It's a patient strategy, I think. It's a retest strategy of a zone. Dus I hope that's will occur. So not, I will trade on my instinct and on my knowledge. I trade gold a little bit, but I think because I have 24 hours now, I will trade it also. I look for an opportunity. Yes, I'm excited, and I bless you all. I hope you're all doing fine.
Hi, my name is Julia. I'm 21 years old and I've been trading for like 3 months now. I'm actually one of Vergaro's students. We did one-on-one. I trade GBP USD in gold, but I day trade gold, so I probably won't get any trades on gold. I'm just going to stick to GBP USD and scalp it and do what he taught me. So yeah, we'll see.
Hi, this is Paolo. I'm 22 from Genova. I personally knew Lorenzo. And I've been trading for 3 years, mostly stock. But I started trading Forex after discovering this world, after some operations of trading with commodities, which required hedging. And then I started knowing Ruggero, which is crazy, is leading every day. Today, I will never trade with my own money because it's going to be crazy in the macroeconomic scenario. There's the Ukraine, Russia. There's the yesterday announced on USD and today announced on USD. So it's going to be quite interesting to see what's going to happen. And I'm never going to tell you what pair I'm going to trade today.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. I'm Emanuele, 21 years old from Rome. I've got to know Ruggero back now almost 10 years ago to high school. And yeah, my strategy, I mostly use supply and demand. I analyze the graph on a 4-hour time frame. And then I try to look at my analysis with, let's say, minimizing time frames. So going to 1 hour to 30 minutes, then to 5 minutes. And then I try to scalp as well based on that knowledge. Hopefully it's going to go good for me, but I hope the best of luck for you all as well. So, yeah.
Thank you.
That's amazing. So, guys, yesterday I gave you all the accounts. Good luck, guys.
Yo,
Good luck.
thank you.
In 5 minutes, in 8 minutes, you can start. That wins the best.
So here's my situation. As probably everyone else sees, I'm long on GBP USD. I opened literally too many positions, so I'm in negative. I'm negative margin at the moment. But yeah, I'm hoping for a comeback from GBP USD. At the moment, I did another mistake, so I went long on Australian dollar and Swiss franc, as you can see. I went long at this point. I didn't use a stop loss because I was sure it was going to happen, but then it went back down. I sold it to keep my my position at break even, but then it's gone back up. So I hope it reached the point where I started going long, so I can close a break even, and then hope for GBP USD to go back up.
Back to you now. Before the first meeting, it's looking good. Some good profit. I'm currently around 40% of the account. My target would be to double it before the first Zoom meeting. So let's see what we can do.
Now I will register the balance of each of you right now, and then I will tell you who is now the first one.
For me, it's not really great at the moment.
What happened, Leonardo?
Yeah, I think I was too greedy. I wanted too much, and that's why my stop loss were hit. So it's 12 o'clock, so the day is just started. So at this moment it's not good, but in the future I hope it will be better.
I'm like debating on whether I should still trade for the rest of the day or not, but it's fine. I'm up 4% on the account.
Okay.
I'm only risking 5% per trade. I'm not risking a lot. And yeah, that's it really.
I'm alright. It's not going bad, but it was going better like half an hour ago. But I lost one trade, so I kind of burned up all my profits. But I still have a strategy, so I'm still on track.
Emanuele, to miss. Emanuele.
I don't know. Yeah, I guess I can go. It was going decently. Then I had a loss, but yeah, I hope for a comeback.
I am always too greedy, always, especially when I'm not trading my money. But I think there's a lot of fun to come in the afternoon.
So hi, quick update on the challenge. As probably everyone guessed, I completely blew my account.
obviously, GBP USD didn't go back up when the market opened. Instead, it went further down. So I went from an equity of 13,000, it was top of the board, I was leading, to around an equity of 200. So I completely blew the account.
Back to you for the third time. This is still Emanuele. Is 30 minutes before the third call, and it didn't went quite as I expected, because I would say I leveraged some of my position. I risked a bit too much, and yeah, I could have just stayed and kept my profit and maybe put myself into a better position to win the challenge. But I rather decided to keep increasing, and eventually I lost. With 3 big position, like minus 3k each position, and that was really bad. Lost really great balance on equity, but yeah, now I'm currently on 2.5k. Still I have a bit of hope, but of course I know that it's very hard, and already from now on I've learned one big lesson from this challenge.
You were doing great. You were doing great, Lola. What's happened?
I was doing great, so I got cut up. I totally lost my shit when I saw GBP going down. So I said, nah.
Okay.
I kept on thinking, nah, it's not going down any more than this. So I started buying.
So you were like 13,000, you were, right?
Yeah, I was doing pretty good, because I think I got the right initial strategy to trade with pairs that weren't actually involved in any news. So I traded with
Okay.
Swiss franc, Australian dollar, because I thought, yeah, maybe that's the right choice, because they're not gonna be impacted by any news. That was going great, but I probably should have stopped there, and I kept trading with those pairs.
Did you use the stop losses, or you just?
I didn't use stop losses.
You
And
didn't. So, for example, you were 13,000, and at a certain point, I said there are 2 people who are up 20% after an hour. You were one, and then there were another one who was Emanuele. Emanuele, which was your top, like the highest?
My
your
top
account?
was 60% of the account.
So it was 16,000.
16,000, yeah.
And then what's up then?
And
Are
then
you still
yeah,
there?
then basically it happened the same to Lorenzo, but on gold. I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna go up for sure. I bought 3 position pretty big, and in 3 position I lost like 3,000 each, so it was dramatic.
yeah, same.
Absolutely.
I think we all got caught by the bearish movement of GBP.
So remember
Sure,
remember that a trader needs to perfectly know when to let's say stop, continue, or cut the
Exactly.
session, right? So when you have a challenge, you do not know what your opponent is doing, right? So it's, let's say, challenging. You're challenging yourself, because you do not know if the second one in the ranking is doing, let's say, more than you, or they are almost in the same level. So I mean, Emanuele was 16,000, Lorenzo was 13,000. They were like most of you have been first in the ranking, even for a minute. So let's see what's happened till the end. Julia, you didn't trade, right?
Oh, I didn't trade, no.
Why? What's happened? You didn't find an opportunity, or your strategy was that?
Yeah, no opportunity at all for my strategy, so I decided not.
And which pairs are you trading right now?
GBP USD and Euro USD as well. Strategy you taught me for GBP USD on Euro USD, and it actually
It's
worked
working?
really well. I forward tested it. So currently I'm forward testing both of them on Euro USD and GBP.
Okay.
And it's really good. Really good.
Julia was one of my students also for one-on-one session. And Julia is currently the first in the ranking. So congrats, Julia. You're first
Absolutely.
right now. A lot of
I'm just gambling, man. I didn't trade my setup at all. It didn't occur to. So I want to trade because I have 24 hours. So it's more a gambling thing than a trading thing for me. I had a big position on gold. I had a bearish position. but the structure was lower lows, lower highs. Just I thought I was fine. Then the price made a new lower high, and at that moment I closed because it was a big loss, and eventually it's all going down. It's very bad that I closed it, but yeah, that's a lesson.
Okay, Julia arrived first. So congrats, Julia. You won the challenge. Well done, Julia. Well done. So let's show everyone the ranking. So as everyone can see right now, and the second one was David. So David, one of the judges, arrived second, but David didn't trade at all. So David got a 10K account, and he just leave the accounts over there, okay? And without touching the accounts, David arrived second. So trader, as I've been able to watch, Julia won the challenge. So congrats to Julia. Julia just made 4% of the capital. So as you can see, sometimes in a challenge, you just need to follow your daily plan to succeed. So congrats to Julia, and as you can see, sometimes the king is a woman.